Oh, what fun! Orange, mango. Add some ice, make it cool, glass of juice. Drawing juice is super cool. Color it red or maybe blue. Orange juice or mango too. Straw to sip and ice to cool. Drawing juice is super cool, juice so sweet, a tasty treat. Sip, 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 cool and neat. Orange, mango, apple too. In a glass or with a straw. Under the sun. Colorful juices just for you. Juice is yummy, best I saw. Juice brings smiles in many ways. Cold and fresh on sunny days. Do you want me?